In 1929, Sir John Black took over as Managing Director of Standard Motors. He encouraged the supply of a complete standard chassis to an external coach builder such as Avon. These guys produce cars with a distinctly sporty appearance. They became well known as the Avon Standard Specials and catered to a niche market that was too small for Standard to cater to themselves. On a standard 12 chassis, the Avon Standard Special utilised a side valve 6-cylinder engine, producing just over 20 horsepower. This then powerful engine, combined with the car's unique sporty looks, made them highly desirable in their day, and today it remains the same. After extensive research through car historians, this Avon Standard Little 12 model appears to be one of only a few remaining examples in the world, making it a sound investment and a perfect collectible.